Ga-Prowash LLC. We come to do a window cleaning job today, and end up now we done got these sanded down. We got to repaint the frames and reglaze the windows. We're in Franklin County, Georgia today, working. We wash this house and take care of the maintenance of this. Is rental property. So I'll go around, guys, and show you the beautiful country out this way, man. It just, we live in a rural area, but we still get it done. It's all about taking action. But right here, I done removed some of the glazing. Come around this way, I'll show you some of the bag. You can see how it's popping at the window. These old wooden windows, that's how they hold them in. They take and they use glazing putty. But I'll show you one over here. Y'all maybe see better. Well, look up there, guys. You see that? He was unaware the owner doesn't live here. He's a great customer. See how it's cracking? That's what insulates and holds that window in. The storm windows we removed them already too. They were put in incorrectly, so we're going to put them back in. We'll get you another look here. Maybe see that one there. We had 19 of them, so, but it ended up being a pretty good job here. It's just the sun over time, it just like the paint, the glazing just starts coming off. I don't think it's been painted in a long time. Whoever painted didn't use a primer. I know that much. And that glazing is just popping on out. Some of these windows should just be replaced, but we take care of some of the, I got a ways of fixing the wood so it appears nice. But yeah, you can see how bad that window is. It's just in terrible shape. We're gonna sand it down if it's worth saving. I don't know, this window may be completely rotten down at the, I don't know. That's just mold over there. It's got some good wood up underneath it. And it just flakes off. These are oak frames, so oak lasts a lot longer than some of the other frames. Back in the day, they just had good materials. But yeah, it's a pretty piece of property out here. I love it. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know what Ga-Prowash was up to today. We've been busy on a lot of commercial. Ain't had time really to shoot a video or nothing. Really, our videos just don't come out like they're supposed to half the time, and so I just keep them as my maintenance records. But I need to try to get some help. Somebody reach out to me if they could help me on the editing and thumbnails and stuff. I would love to talk to you about a venture, because I have a lot of video stuff and I have a lot of stuff that we need to get uploaded, especially for our LinkedIn and YouTube. But anyway, this is Gary and Sherry with Ga-Prowash. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.